Hi everyone, in this video we will continue the topic properties of the logarithm. We already discussed about some properties of the logarithm with their proof. In this video we will also discuss about some remaining properties, uh, and let's write the property, the first property for this video. The log of any base, the log of any base of a number 1 is always 0. Please remember, log of any base for the number 1 is always 0. Let's prove it. Here is the proof. The log of 1 with any base a. The meaning of this logarithm expression is uh, what is the power of this a to get 1. Let's suppose the power of a be the x to get the value 1. The basic meaning of log of 1 with base a is what is the power of the base number a to get 1. Here we just suppose the power of the a is a x to get the result 1, and this can be further simplified as a to the power x, and the 1 can be written as a to the power 0. Here the base are equal and the numbers are given equal, so we can equate the powers of, therefore the value of the x, the required value of the x is just 0. So we can conclude that log of 1 with any base a is always 0. Please remember this property. Log of 1 with any base is always 0. Similarly, the next property is log of any number with the same base. Here the argument and the base are same, and at this situation the result will be 1. It is the next property. Let's prove it. Here is the proof. Here the log of any number a with the same base is going to prove 1, and the meaning of this logarithm expression is what is the power of this tells us what is the power of this base number a to get 1. And let's suppose the power of this base number is the base number a be the x to get the result a. Here we just suppose the power of this base number a to get the result a, and then this can be further simplified as a raised to the power x, and this is a raised to the power just 1. We can equate the powers, therefore we obtain the value of the x as a 1. So we can conclude that here the log of any number with the same base is always 1. Here we proved these two properties by the basic concept of the logarithm. And the next properties is the log of number a with the base b. Log of a with base b, it can be also written by interchanging the argument and the base. We can interchange the argument and the base, and the result will be the reciprocal of the reciprocal 1 over log of b with base a. Here we just interchange the argument and the base of this logarithm, and in case of interchanging, if we want to interchange the both argument and the base of the logarithm, then we have to do 1 over the interchanging part here. But the result of log a to the b the result of this denominator of these fractions log of b with base a should not be equals to 0. The denominator should not be equals to 0. If the denominator is 0, then the fraction will be undefined. And let's have its proof. There is the proof. Let's write the log of number a with the base a. The log of a with the same base a, this can be written by the change of the base. This can be written as log of a log of b with base a times log of a with the same base with the base b. Here we just use the concept of change of base formula. This is the change of base. We already discussed about the proof of the change of base formula. Here the log of a with the same base can be written as log of b with base a times log of a with base b. Here we just use the change of base formula. And here we discuss the log of a with the same base a is 1. So in place of this expression, we can put the 1, the value of the log with the same base, and the argument is always 1. And this can be written as log a b log of b with base a times log of a with base b. Therefore, from this equation, by transposing this part on the left hand side, we got here the value of the 1 over log of b with base a is log of a with base b. Here we just prove this property. Log of a with base b, log of a with base b is exactly same as 1 over log of b with base a. This is the formula of interchange of the argument and base. It is here we just interchanging argument and base. This is the these are the very important properties of the logarithm. In our next video, we will discuss more about the problems related with the these properties. Please keep watching. This much for today. Thank you.